SYTOXCAR.
Hello, SYTOXCAR enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into something truly special that deserves the full spotlight on our channel. If you're a true automotive aficionado, get ready to be amazed by the luxury offered by the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS. This luxurious SUV is more than just a vehicle. It's a masterpiece that seamlessly blends opulence with exceptional performance. Let's unpack what makes this car a top contender on your wish list. On the outside, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 2025 exudes class with every meticulously polished detail. The large chrome grille adorned with the iconic Maybach emblem stands as a focal point, radiating an undeniable air of exclusivity. Advanced LED multi-beam headlights enhance the modern, high-tech appeal, while smooth body lines create an elegant, yet muscular silhouette. This SUV comes with specially designed 23-inch wheels that strike a perfect balance between comfort and a sporty aesthetic. The exterior colors, which can be personalized in two tones, offer owners the freedom to express their personal style with confidence. Step inside the Mercedes-Maybach GLS 2025, and you'll be greeted by a level of luxury you've never imagined. The interior is draped in premium Nappa leather, combined with exotic wood and metallic accents that add a touch of elegance. The spacious cabin ensures that every journey, whether short or long, is an experience of utmost comfort and pleasure. Exclusive features like massaging seats with heating and cooling functions, a 64-color ambient lighting system, and a custom-tailored MBUX entertainment system for rear passengers elevate every moment inside the GLS to a first-class experience. Not to mention, the Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system brings concert-quality audio right into your vehicle. The Mercedes-Maybach GLS 2025 isn't just about luxury, it also packs impressive performance. Its 4.0-liter V8 biturbo engine with EQ-Boost technology delivers up to 550 horsepower, offering smooth yet powerful acceleration. The advanced Dermatic air suspension system ensures maximum comfort, absorbing road vibrations and providing an exceptionally smooth ride.
The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures stability and resilience in various road conditions, giving drivers full confidence and control, even in challenging terrains.
The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS stands as a symbol of modern luxury, offering not just comfort, but also impressive performance. For SYTOXCAR enthusiasts who always seek the best in the automotive world, this SUV is an unmissable choice. With its meticulously crafted luxury and cutting-edge technology, the Mercedes-Maybach GLS proves that true luxury is not just about appearance, it's about the experience it delivers. So, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned with SYTOXCAR for the latest updates and in-depth reviews of the world's most exclusive cars. Keep following us, because the best in automotive luxury is only on SYTOXCAR.